Hello folks, Andy from Bikers Campsite, here to do a review of the Cymarc bike parts tail tidy for the Tenere 700. This tail tidy specifically takes care of the conflict of the indicators to when a high exhaust system's fitted. There is a longer video which shows me fitting the tail tidy. I'll put a link in the description below. But just a quick review. This has been on the bike for a while now. It's been tested. Made in lightweight 3mm aluminium, drops the indicators down well below the high exhaust, which avoids that melted plastic. Looks great, easy to fit, saves weight, and is suitable for bikes with or without the high exhaust. But as I say, what it does do is it drops those indicators down well out of the way of the exhaust gases. Cymarc bike parts, there's a link in the description.